Nowadays, AICT also insisting to conduct the hackathons, and they are also even conducting the Smart India hackathons at different colleges. So participating in them, so getting prize or getting some position is not that much essential, but participation is more important. Because of that, definitely something you will learn. So it may change from person to person, but definitely some outcome you can get from that particular workshop. So being CSC and artificial intelligence data science students, the technology normally in these areas are rapidly changing. So whatever, even global certifications also valid for 3 years only, because whatever certification you have done, not more than that, more than 3 years it will be valid. Because by the time after 3 years, there is a technological advancement, so you need to concentrate on it. So being the CSC students and AIDA students, you need to make a note of it and try to utilize all the platforms what we have in our college, like we have Cisco Networking Academy, Amazon Web Service Academy. There are many more opportunities are there for you people. So you are in second year, so there is a more time for you people to concentrate on other activities also apart from your academics. Academics are very important. You need to concentrate. You need to balance your academics as well as other activities also. Then only you will be on demand. Normally at the end of your final year, you will be getting some placement drives and all. At that time, they won't only look at your subject knowledge. Like just if you are having some CGPA 9.5, that is not only the criteria. So criteria is how different you are from others. Your curriculum vitae will speak about your credentials, how many certifications you have done, how many prizes you won, or in extracurricular activities also that matters. Sports, games. So you should be a overall personal development you should have at the time. So there are so many platforms in our college to utilize.